everyone, welcome back to Under the Christmas Tree's official YouTube channel. I'm Holly and today we're going to be looking at the Gibsons Jigsaw Advent Calendar. This is a different type Advent Calendar. Usually we're used to seeing beauty Advent Calendars, chocolate Advent Calendars, that kind of thing. This is actually made up of 12 jigsaws, each with 80 pieces in them. So this is the Christmas is Coming 2019 Advent Calendar. Last year they did their Christmas Street one, which actually won an award. It looked pretty similar, but it is different. And like I mentioned before, it did get an award last year, so this one probably will follow in the same footsteps. So like I say, this has 12 different doors. So let's just have a wee look inside. You can see in there that it's got a really nice design in there. And each 12 of the doors have got a jigsaw behind it and they have 80 pieces in each one. So at the end of the 12 days, whether you choose to open one every second day throughout December or whether you choose just to open all 12 on the 1st to 12th of December, it's entirely up to you. But each of the puzzles can be made up. Once you have opened all 12 of the doors, you can place them all side by side to create one big Christmas scene. So whether that is tinsel and snowmen and things like that, nice warm Christmas scenes like you can see on here. That is entirely up to you, but we think it would look great framed, so you could go and frame it if you wanted to, which is a really good idea. This is perfect for children, but it's also really good for adults too, because I know myself that I like to do a little Christmas jigsaw puzzle. So once you have opened up all 12 of the doors, you can lay them all side by side and create a nice big Christmas scene, whether that's with tinsel and snowmen and nice warm Christmas scenes. You can even make a big picture and glue it all onto a backdrop and make it into a frame. That's a really nice idea as well. But what I want to do is just show you, obviously you've seen the inside, but I want to show you one of the doors. We here at Under the Christmas Tree don't believe in spoiling what's behind each door because it has been known to happen in other channels. That's why we're the best. But I thought that I would just open up one and let you see it. So I'm just going to open up days 21 and 22 and just push in the wee bit there and you just open it up. False nail problem, people. Open it up and on the inside it's got a nice wee scene of what it should look like, and then you've got the 80-piece jigsaw puzzle. So once you've opened these, the pieces are quite small, so once you've opened it, make sure you don't lose it. Try and do the jigsaw all at once or keep it in a safe place away from pets, probably would be a good idea as well. But yes, there are 12 doors there and we won't open them all so to spoil it, but you get the gist of what we mean. And at the end of it, like I said, you can make yourself a really nice picture. So that's really all there is to say about the Gibsons Christmas is Coming Advent Calendar. It really is quite unique and we think it's going to be perfect for somebody who isn't really into chocolate or who isn't really into the beauty Advent calendars. We think it's going to be great for those who have got a more creative mind. So check out all the details below in the information bar, and other than that, thank you so much for watching. Bye.